Mason, what do you see?
What has come to your house?
Did Santa Claus come?
What has come?
What did Santa bring you?
Oh, what is that, Mason?
Mason, this way.
Jeez, you guys. You guys just straight Lindsay Lohan in with the paparazzi. Oh, jeez. Not having a good morning.
Mason, what happened?
Somebody get that kid a cup of coffee.
Mason, what's this?
He likes a helicopter. Okay.
Mason.
Oh, it's cute. So cute. Mason. Mason, look.
Wow. Oh, look at that. Total destruction, your kind of toy.
It's a helicopter? You push the button. Look at it, you push this as your remote control. Oh, I need to turn this on.
Get in there.
Come here. Get in here.
Just throw them in.
Get in here.
There you go.
You don't like it?
Oh,
That scare you?
Oh, he doesn't.
he doesn't. He'll get used to it. Give him some time.
He's got so many other things he wants to. Push the buttons. What is all the toys, huh?
He's curious.
My camera sucks. You want to go in here, Mason?
Mason. Here, Mason.
Ba ba ba. Pick up, pick up, pick up, pick up. Mason. Pee.
Hey! Wait, come in here with Mama.
Oh man, he just did the splits. I love you.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Love you.